Hello, I have this 2015 Mercedes 300. Have a code p0302, p0304, p0300, p0352, p0354. And when you see this B352 or B354 or 1 or 3, this means you have a wiring issue or a broken or disconnected ignition coil or broken ignition coil. And look what I find here. Here it is. This is 3 cutting wire and this is 1 over here. I just cut this cover right here. It's like you see, I'm going to, this car was jerking, misfiring, couldn't drive it right. Now I'm going to fix this and see. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any question, just comment below. Thanks.